Residents of Sangre Grande were afforded the opportunity to get free medical testing following the recent flooding in their area after fears they may be prone to infectious diseases. Chairman of the regional corporation, Terry Rondon, partnered with the Eastern Regional Health Authority and said this initiative will appease the many fears of residents. Cherrylene Lewis reports.
Consultations, testing, and much more were offered to residents of Sangre Grande who fear they were exposed to many diseases following the recent flood. Medical Dr. Darren Dukiram believes prevention is better than cure and said this early medical screening will bring mental peace to residents as well as treat those who may have had any minor illness still in the early stages.
What we're looking at is prevention of infectious diseases. So there's a lot to talk about leptospirosis, and as most may know, it is a rodent-borne disease. It's usually transmitted through rat urine, but while that is a major concern post-flooding because of the trapped pockets of water, there's usually an upsurge in mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria, such as dengue. So,
Chairman of the Sangre Grande Regional Corporation, Terry Rondon, lauded this initiative and said it couldn't be more timely.
I went out to homes and I saw the condition that these people were living in, especially the children. So I immediately contacted Dr. Bagalu, who always there to support me in things like this. But we just couldn't do it because of the condition that we were facing through the road, and the water was still high.
The screening included colon cancer screening, pap smears, and HIV testing.
So making sure that young ladies have their pap smears done, making sure that HIV checks are done, making sure older patients are screened for specific types of cancer like breast cancer, colon cancer.
The medical screening also allowed for persons who can't leave the area or access medical testing elsewhere to benefit. Cherrylene Lewis, TTT News.